2024 Land Rover Defender 110 P300. The exterior is built for adventure with an iconic boxy design plus 20-inch alloy wheels. It features seatings up to 7 passengers with spacious rugged interiors plus 10-inch touchscreen. Also includes a panoramic sunroof. Doors are designed with a focus on durability and rugged elegance, offering rugged features and a distinctive Land Rover appearance. 2-liter i4 Di engine, 4x4 plus it's an automatic car. This car has only traveled around 12,000 miles and the starting price is $158,500.